It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, here with Skippa, Barbie J, Jiggy, Do Not Disturb, DND. Yes, it's a music video. So we're gonna jump in the one and hear what the G's them office say. First time reacting to Barbie J song. So let's go. Let's go.
Stop it, calm down.
See, I do walk back just what my while ago. Oh, the G do some work. That clan, machine, beast. Dog, I sweat. A video serious. A video serious. One thing dog I sweat, a video serious.
You know, take your phone off for the Do Not Disturb. So you're gonna make it.
Jiggy! She ain't creative, big up.
Times I wish you could be normal. Now for put on a performance. Coming no one for you. But hold your hand more for walk beside you. Me not care about the blogs or who want to find out.
Enough behind me. You are my mom, so you have to stick beside me. Know you love the way you hold my grip you tightly. Love every limb, I can't love you lightly.
Oh, me love it when you talk like that. I have feelings when the music stop. I'm a phone, me I got call right back. Girl, you know you have my heart one lock.
Me know you love it when I talk like that. We have feelings when the music stop. Let's go now for call right back.
Oi, kickers.
Now I lie, sometimes I fed about the life we live. It's a feeling that's stifling.
Shut them out, we not have a lot of time to give. We're not for hide, we're not for run our own line, no kids.
First time I hear her voice, she sound a bit like Jada. She sound a bit like, not a bad thing, because Jada a bad blood clot artist, we know that already. She sound a bit like Jada though. Me like it. Me like it. Clarty again, me like it. Me like it.
Stop it, calm down.
One more. Jiggy. Video with substance. I have a storyline behind it. Like it.
You know, take your phone off for the Do Not Disturb. So you're gonna make it. You know, take your phone off for the Do Not Disturb. So you're gonna make it.
Times I wish you could be normal. Now for put on a performance. Coming no one for you. But hold your hand more for walk beside you. Me not care about the blogs or who want to find out.
Enough behind me. You are my mom, so you have to stick beside me. Know you love the way you hold my grip you tightly. Love every limb, I can't love you lightly.
Oh, me love it when you talk like that. I have feelings when the music stop. I'm a phone, me I got call right back. Girl, you know you have my heart one lock.
Me know you love it when I talk like that. We have feelings when the music stop. Let's go now for call right back. I know me have your heart one lock.
Now I lie, sometimes I fed about the life we live. It's a feeling that's stifling.
Shut them out, we not have a lot of time to give. We're not for hide, we're not for run our own line, no kids.
Y'all go down and make your knees them. Then we have star, but we not do feelings them.
Me a burden, I like and I grieving them. From the start, now it's like when I see no.
Oh, me love it when you talk like that. I have feelings when the music stop. I'm a phone, me I got call right back. Girl, you know you have my heart one lock.
Me know you love it when I talk like that. We have feelings when the music stop.
Mama hot enough.
Let's go now for call right back.
Mama hot enough.
I know me have your heart one lock.
Love it when you talk.
Love it when I talk.
Love it on the dark.
Love it when I talk.
Yeah. Love it when I
Love it when I talk.
Love it when you talk.
Love it when I talk.
Love it on the dark.
A bad man, my life.
Right, yes, I did.
A bad man, my life.
You know me love it when you talk like that. We have feelings on the music stuff. I'm a phone, me, I got call right back. Barely know you have my heart, man, lock.
I know you love it when I talk like that. We have feelings on the music stuff. Call it phone, off a call right back. I know me, have your heart, man, lock.
And I wish you could be normal.
Yeah.
Now for put on a performance. Come in the one for idea. My holy and more for walk beside you.
Proud.
I care about the blogs or who want to find out.
Enough behind me. You are my man, so you have to stick beside me. Know you love the way you hold me, grip you tightly. Never ever name, I can't love you lightly.
Mama heart, you know? She ain't creative, pick up herself. Mama heart, man. Especially when Mama ride up the bike. Oh, God, man. First, me I listen to one of her song, them. Bad artist. Yes, talented. Very talented. Me like it. Yo. If we see Skippa, I do a collab and I sing like this to the female. Them. It look like the Skippa take the music thing serious and you know. Because in the past song, the G I tell you, listen, him not if you do this, you know, this is just pastime. Look like the G I enjoy himself. Look like the G is loving it. Yes, because the fans are loving it. Bad your bad, blood clot, bad your bad. Jiggy, big up yourself. Yes. Skippa fans them. The L boys and L girls, big up on yourself. Yes. One more Skippa phone again. When I said now, yeah, the G show him versatility. It's not all about chopping and scamming. Him can do. Him show say him can do a lot more than what he's been doing. Alright? Yes. Shut up the critics them now. Shut up on the mouth. Blood clot. If you don't want to see more Skippa still, click on N1M2 video we float over my head right now. You see me? And then just go straight to it if you enjoy that one, yeah. Alright? So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Barbie J, big up yourself too. Yeah, Barbie J, big up yourself. Yes. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.